Do you want to grow in your career? Do you want better opportunities, more confidence, and a powerful professional image? Then today's 10 success and career words are absolutely a must-learn. Day 3, Success and Career Words, English Script. LexiQuesta Academy, Learn Smart, Speak Fluent. Welcome to LexiQuesta Academy, Learn Smart, Speak Fluent. Today, we're learning 10 powerful English words that will help you sound confident in the office, in meetings, interviews, presentations, everywhere. Let's begin. 1. Productive. Meaning, getting things done effectively. Example, I feel more productive when I plan my tasks properly. 2. Consistent. Meaning, doing something regularly without giving up. Example, to achieve success, you must stay consistent. 3. Strategic. Meaning, planning wisely to get the best results. Example, we need a strategic approach to grow our company. 4. Professional. Meaning, behaving in a respectable and skillful way. Example, she is very professional in her work. 5. Efficient. Meaning, doing work quickly and correctly without wasting time. Example, he is efficient with every task he receives. If you're enjoying this lesson, please subscribe to LexiQuesta Academy. Your support motivates me to create more helpful English videos for you. 6. Dedicated. Meaning, fully committed and hardworking. Example, she is a dedicated team member who always gives her best. 7. Skillful. Meaning, having talent or ability. Example, he is a skillful designer with great ideas. 8. Ambitious. Meaning, having strong goals and big dreams. Example, she is ambitious and always aims higher. 9. Organized. Meaning, keeping everything in order, planning well. Example, staying organized helps you save time. 10. Focus-oriented. Meaning, able to concentrate on what matters most. Example, a focus-oriented mindset leads to growth and success. These 10 powerful words will help you sound smarter, more confident, and more professional. Use them daily and watch your communication and your career improve. Thank you for watching. This is LexiQuesta Academy, Learn Smart, Speak Fluent. See you in Day 4 with 10 more amazing English words.